Hello Vikas, first of all thanks for joining us today. So today we would like to discuss about the job guarantee program which actually you provide in the intensive training and which has actually become a synonym of success in the networking industry. So to start with, we would really like to know what exactly the intensive training is and how do you provide the job guarantee in this program?
Okay, so we launched this program, intensive training program, in year 2015 in the month of January. And since then it has been a huge success. It has transformed the life of thousands of students, and they have benefited tremendously because of this program. Now this program is a full day program where the students are required to go through different classes throughout the day. So we start this program with the theory session, which goes for 2 hours, where the trainer explains all the theoretical concepts to the students. And then the students are required to go through the practical training, which is again of 2 hours, where the trainer assigns some practical tasks to the students, and then the students are expected to finish the tasks. And they are also expected to go through PD classes, which are also called grooming classes, where we teach them about interview skills, about group discussions, and how to handle the nervousness in the interview, and how to crack the interviews, about their communication skills, and about their spoken English skills also. Apart from this, they are expected to go for their assignment classes also, where they are expected to give a presentation on a particular topic. So this program develops the overall skills and personality of a student, and when the student joins us as a raw and a fresher student, and after 8 or 10 months they are transformed into a highly skilled professional. Now our experience with this program says that anybody who goes through such a sophisticated program where their skills are developed on everyday basis, if they attend their classes regularly and if they work hard, well, getting a job is a piece of cake then, and every student can easily crack the interviews if they go through this program properly.
Okay. So what contribution is actually expected from a networking student in this program?
Well, students are expected to attend all the classes regularly, and also they are expected to do some self-study at home or sitting in the lab. And then obviously they are expected to face the interviews once the placement department starts their placement process, and of course they are expected to do well in the interviews then.
So what exactly student can expect from Network Bulls in this?
Okay, so first of all, Network Bulls is known for their quality training. So we provide all the quality training in different classes, and then all the resources and facilities that we provide here at Network Bulls, and of course the placement services that we provide to the students. So they are only expected to study and appear for the interviews. Rest everything is our game, I would say.
Okay. So does every student get placement?
Well, I would not say every student gets placement. Yes, 8 out of 10 students gets placed, maybe on their own or by getting our help. These are the students who work hard, who upgrade their skills, so they easily get the job. But then there are 2 to 3 students who do not get the job because they have never upgraded their skills. They have never taken the advantage of the facilities that we are providing to them. So as you know that nobody can clap with a single hand. So if the students are not getting job, the only reason that I can find is that they have not upgraded their skills. They are not working hard enough.
Okay. So what happens to the student if in case they don't get the placement?
Well, they always have this option of going back and refining their skills. If they feel that they are technically weak, then they should upgrade their technical skills. For example, a routing and switching student should focus more on routing and switching skills. For a security student, the focus has to be on the firewall and VPN skills in addition to the routing and switching skills. So they should refine their skills, and if they are technically good and they are weak at their communication part, then yes, they should work on improving that skill also, and they can always come back to Network's placement department and we can go for more interviews. We can align more interviews for them, and they can always go for some backup classes, for their revision classes. The lab is open 24/7, so the facilities are there if they are willing to avail it.
So on what skills students should actually focus, and what kind of jobs they can expect after acquiring these skills?
Well, as I mentioned, a routing switching student should focus on core routing and switching skills, and security student should focus on firewall and VPN plus routing and switching skills. But overall, if I talk about, there are only two skills that they should focus on. One is technical skills and another is communication skills. Technical skills are needed because ultimately they have to work in the industry on the basis of their technical skills. And communication skills are required so that they are able to communicate their knowledge in the interview and later on also once they get a good job.
So any tip or a message you would like to give to the students who are already studying in Network Bulls or maybe aspiring to join in Network Bulls?
Well, the only message that I want to give here is that we are providing our world-class training and services to all the students. Now, it all depends on the students how well they can utilize the resources and facilities and services that we are offering to them. So they should focus on upgrading their skills. That's the only way they can get a job. They have to understand that job guarantee does not mean that you pay us the money and you get a job. It does not happen like this. So we are playing our part and the students need to play their part. They need to upgrade their skills. They need to focus on their skills. That's the only way they can get a good job.
So once again, I would like to thank you for giving your precious time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We hope you must have enjoyed today's session. Don't forget to leave your queries in our comments column. Do share and subscribe in our channel.